Well, hello guys, welcome back for another video. Hope everyone is doing fine. Today's a Wednesday, September 24th. So today, I doing something a little bit different today. If you guys know what I'm gonna do. So what am I doing is today I went to a store today at the West Canadian Tire, and I bought this Garrison 2 pack of smoke alarms. 10-year warranty feature. So the reason why I got them today was because my smoke alarm here that I will go show you guys right now. This one has expired. Still works, but not anymore because it's replacement date for the smoke alarm. And we have two, so I might put one in the basement. I think I'll start off. So this is what you get in the, here you have all the information here. Replaced in 120 days. I'm not sure what sensor it is. I think it might be a ionization or photoelectric. Yeah, this one is getting replaced today. So what you need here are screwdriver. And yeah, let's hope that we can do this today of replacing a brand new smoke alarm today. Well, I'm gonna test it also. So yeah, alright, go ahead and open this up. So it says here that smoke alarm should we get replaced every 10 minutes. That's what it is. So it comes with 2 smoke alarms. Says right here, has its test/silence button. 10-year warranty limit, so it's good for 10 years. So yeah. It is right now 2:33 p.m. in the afternoon. Smoke alarm is gonna get replaced today. I'm gonna get started opening this up, and we're gonna do this. Let's go. All right. There it is. I'm gonna figure out how to put this bracket on the smoke. Now we're gonna go get a new one. Let me. What are the screws for the smoke alarm? For just a second. We'll go through this quick. Right. This is a different style base. Other side. I'm gonna have you do this real quick. I need to break this bitch. And then the new smoke. Yeah. Next bit. Let me take the old one spoke alarm out. Alright, so new base is ready. I'm gonna screw this up by hand.